right now, and obviously we've had some rain this morning. Had a problem with some accidents on the roadways, but obviously now I think we're dealing with some flood warnings.
Yes, now we're dealing with flood warnings, and I want to actually show you what it looks like in Rockwall. Our Rockwall Trend Tower camera is showing that rain. You can see visibility is limited out on the horizon. Temperature of 73 degrees there and under a mostly cloudy sky. Rockwall, by the way, one of the locations under a flash flood warning. So just another recap of where we're seeing the rain. Right now, it's only really a few counties, but it's counties that are high in population. So we are looking at Denton right now, a little bit of rain along the eastern side, just a few showers in Tarrant, but eastern Dallas County, all of Collin County, Rockwall and Kaufman County looking at this rain. And what we're seeing is that this is actually all being caused by this little disturbance, this area of low pressure. And you can see it there. You can see it swirling and it's slowly progressing towards the northwest, and it's taking with it some of this heavy rain. So right now, a flash flood warning in place for Collin County, 1 to 2 inches of rain really in the last hour, with more heavy rain still ongoing. So any areas that flood easily, likely already seeing those impacts. Additional rain at this point will cause issues in those low-lying areas and any creeks or streams. Highway 380 included in this, and 75 also included in this, 121 as well. So just a big heads up, you want to stay off the roads here for the next couple of hours if you can. In addition to that, another flash flood warning for eastern Dallas County. Although the rain there looking a little less intense, Rockwall County and portions of Kaufman County. You can see those really bright colors. Still high coverage of rain, but the intensity is lowering as this pushes off towards the northwest. So again, this will be needed to be watched here for the next few hours. We're seeing less rain for southern Kaufman County, an area that originally had a flash flood advisory. Now again, only a few counties are seeing this. Most of North Texas is actually completely rain-free with cloud cover overhead. This is how it'll act though over the next few hours. This is around noon. We'll eventually see this progress towards the north. Around 4 in the afternoon, that cluster of storms will have pushed north of the Red River, but additional isolated showers and thunderstorms will be possible. Coverage is going to lower to about a 20% for the afternoon. I think we'll still see most of the cloud cover around a good portion of the day, and that's what's going to keep our northeastern counties a bit on the cooler side. So with any thunderstorm that forms today, again, the threat for severe weather is very low, but any thunderstorm in May that takes shape could very well produce pea-sized hail, gusty winds. It doesn't take a whole lot to cause some issues out there. And just keep in mind, we're still dealing with a lot of moisture in our atmosphere. I mean, we have a lot of humidity to work with, and this is what's going to cause the potential for some heavy rain, additional heavy rain at that. Overnight, we'll see lower rain coverage. I think most of us will be rain-free with just some cloud cover around. And then as we head into Thursday, we do have another potential for rain, and that's all as this area of low pressure kind of wraps around and brings additional rain for some of our northern counties. And this is more likely in the afternoon. Coverage will be pretty low at about a 20%. So again, today, temperatures in the mid 70s around midday, low 80s for the afternoon as rain coverage drops to about a 20%. I think we'll see the cloud cover around and light winds. Temperatures in our northeastern counties will be in the mid 70s thanks to the rain and added cloud cover. Low 80s for the Metroplex and areas to the southwest. Our rainfall coverage does drop for Thursday to 20%. I don't think we'll see much in the way of rain on Friday, but Saturday and Sunday about 20% coverage. Saturday afternoon, Sunday afternoon, we may have to bump up the rain coverage as we get more data in. We'll be able to fine tune that, but temperatures overall here as we head towards the late week into the weekend, getting close to that 90-degree mark. The humidity sticks around, so it's going to feel a little warmer than that. And check out next week, the first full week of June, looking a bit more rain-free and warmer, because after all, well, Matt, that's what happens here in June.
Can't wait. It's going to get a lot hotter. All right. Thank you so much, Mariel. All right, months after